Hey everyone, it's Math Matters. In this channel, we change your perspective about math. We will teach you why we learn math and how cool math is. If you're a student who is struggling with finding motivations, or just a curious mind who wants to learn the whys of math, this channel is for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about functions. In high school, we learn about different functions. We start with linear functions, f of x equals a times x plus b. And if you're advanced, you probably know trigonometric, logarithmic, and exponential functions. But don't worry if you're not still there or not familiar with any of these terms. In this video, we're going to change your mind about why we learn functions. A function usually takes some kind of an input and spits out an output. For the case of a simple linear function, f of x equals a times x plus b, x is an input and f of x is an output. So what? Why is this so important? In high school, I thought that we would never use these in real life. But actually, this is not true, and life is full of functions. Think about a Fortnite game you're playing. There's a button on your controller, or a key on your keyboard that will make your character jump in the game. That process is a function. The input is the press of the button, and the output is your character jumping. The function is translating the press of the button or the key to your character jumping. If you decide to search a meme on Google and hit the search button, it will give you different memes, obviously. The input here is the word meme, and the output is a collection of memes. Here's a more complex one. The price of a plane ticket is calculated using a very complex function where the inputs are what the day of the flight is, how many seats are already sold, how many days you have until the flight, and so on. And don't forget, if you're trying to make ChatGPT do your homework assignments, your inputs are the words that you type in, and the output is the words that ChatGPT put together. ChatGPT is indeed an extremely complex function with billions of parameters. If you're keen, you may realize that all the examples that I mentioned are technology related. Function is especially a very important concept in engineering, computer science, and statistics, which are the foundations of many modern technologies. Without this concept, there will not be any computers, video games, Google, Netflix, TikTok, AI, Tesla, and so on. Isn't it crazy that some concept in math that was developed in the 17th century is the basis of all the technology we have nowadays? I know. I hope this video gave you an idea of how important and relevant functions are in our daily lives. If you ever see a friend complaining about learning about functions, now you can tell your friend some cool examples. In later videos, we'll talk about why certain functions such as linear and logarithmic functions are so important to learn in math. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.